Yeah, we're asking you to give me more than just 1 minute this time to get you on fast track to doing Pilates perfectly. And it's all about the basics and getting those things right. Now, a lot of people think Pilates, weights in Pilates, yes. Not heavy weights, okay? Although I usually go as much as I can in the way of weights because I like to put weight onto my body because it makes your bones stronger. Okay, so it's not about building the muscles when it comes to it, but leaning it out, about focusing on what your muscles are doing rather than actually going and doing like the people would be in the gym, pushing as much weight as they can. Here, we just want to ground ourselves. So today we're working into your triceps. We've done biceps, a lot of wrist stuff, but now we want to work these muscles here. And it's really quite easy to do. If you've got weights, both of them are a good thing to have in one hand at one stage, but this time we're going to take both of them. If you don't have weights at home, you can always take small cool drink bottles and fill them either with sand or with water and use those. It'll be enough weight. But you can still do it without weights as well and get the same benefit if you just remember how you want to do it specifically. So we're going to bring the elbows up, point up towards the ceiling. Now careful you don't let your ribs lift up. You want to keep the ribs pulled down towards the hip bones, okay? And the elbows pressing up. Now from here, you're just going to take both hands up to the ceiling, squeeze your ears, so you're engaging the whole arm, and inhale, releasing it back down. And exhale, squeezing it all the way up. And inhale, releasing it down. And squeezing it up. And releasing it down. And you can do this either in a kneeling position or if you're standing. Okay, from there, I'm going to take this into a seated position. I usually do it cross-legged at the end of a class just to get the abduction and adduction into the shoulder blades. So not just working triceps, we're also working the whole body. It's important to keep yourself centered, that your body is up straight. So you don't want to be doing this rounding into the back, sitting up straight, keeping the core engaged and bringing your arms in a gentle circle in front of you. So they call this hugging a tree. And then you inhale, opening your arms to the side. Okay, and then you exhale, hugging the tree again. Inhale, taking the arms out. So we're not doing this. Okay, we're just going, inhale, open, don't take them too far back, just resting the weights off your fingers, and exhale, bringing them back to touch the fingertips. Inhale, open, and exhale back, and inhale, open, and exhale back, and you can do 10 of these quite happily. Remember, you don't have to do them with me, just follow on, and we'll do the next one straight after that. So from here, you want to come up either into a standing position, or you've got your knees slightly bent, bringing your weight slightly forwards, keep your ribs and hips together. You can do it kneeling. Take your knees into hip distance apart. You're going to take the one hand up to the front, the other arm out to the back, and swap. And out, and swap. And bringing it up, and swap. So don't do it too fast, and keep those arms tucked into you so that you can feel the biceps and the triceps working, okay? And there. And forward. So from here, your natural progression will be, once again, if you're standing, just bringing that weight slightly forward, hinge the body slightly forward, keep the ribs and hips together, and bringing your elbows as high as you can up here. Touch the shoulders with the weights, and we're going to exhale, pressing it straight back, and hold, and then bring it back in again. Don't drop the elbows. Pressing back, and inhale, bringing it in, and press back, and bring it in. So you do about 10 of those, and then for the last bit of that, you take them to the back, holding it out there and pulsing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and releasing it down. If you don't do pulses in Pilates, you're not doing it right. Everybody knows. The moment I say, and pulsing, we're going for 20. So if you can do 20, do it.